About 10:25. Got another 1.5 miles to go. It's gonna be bumpy. This is the Coleman Hatchery shooting range. We'll see if I can range it out to 200-300 yards today. Got a few things, got table, got everything, but this road is pretty rough. Luckily I have a 4x4. There's some guys behind me that are hunting in a private property. They're probably after hogs. They were up to no good, I guess I could say that. They scrambled when I got pulled in. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Technically, you could hunt out here. This could be considered a C zone. my mile, but I think this is it right here. It's crazy though, there's a lot of cows around. It says should have been
in 600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Yeah, I guess this is it, but man, there's a lot of cows here. I don't know if I want to shoot them. No, I'm just kidding. I see the range. The good news is the backdrop or the background is all hills and there's nothing back there, so that's pretty good. This isn't so bad. People just make it really bad. You don't need a 4x4 to get up here. I can see a lot of people have been out here shooting though. I don't know, maybe one shot and these guys will probably scramble.
Your destination is on the right.
I don't know, this is going to make it tough. There's a lot of animals here. Yeah. Kind of wish I would have brought my 22. It's quite a bit of ways out there. I guess this would be the place right here for setup. I'm actually gonna try to shoot a couple of 100 yards, so I may shoot this way. Yeah, this seems to be the better setup here. But here I am at the Coleman shooting range. I think one bullet will send these cows running. Just the noise, I meant to say.